Let's learn to draw. J. J is for juice. Let's start our drawing. First, let's make a mug and straw. Now an orange slice. Then a couple of ice cubes. And a few droplets. Now let's color it. Let's start with light blue on the ice. Now the main color, orange. A bit of brown and red. Now black, brown and orange for the reflections in the mug. Add darker shades of orange on the sides and bottom. Now some blending and final touches. At the last, pink strokes on the straw. Wow, this is so cool! The orange juice looks so yummy! Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.